Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip you'll modify and opening the Effect Controls panel. This is your control hub. Once done, make sure the playhead is at the frame you want to keyframe because values are frame-specific. You'll see motion, opacity, and any applied effects. Expand sections to reveal parameters. Use the FX badge to toggle effects on and off while watching Program Monitor. This approach prevents accidental changes and keeps your edits precise from the first keyframe. Now you'll enable animation by clicking a stopwatch next to a parameter. That creates the first keyframe. Then, move the playhead, change the value, and Premiere adds another keyframe. That's how you build motion or opacity fades. For precise adjustments, scrub numeric fields or hold Alt/Option while dragging for finer increments. Make sure to right-click keyframes to change interpolation. Linear versus ease handles motion differently, and choosing easing often yields more natural movement in the finish by refining values, stacking effects in logical order, and saving combinations as presets for reuse. If interactions between effects become messy, nest the clip and apply higher-level effects or masks to keep control. Once satisfied, set an in and out and render the segment to ensure real-time playback. This confirms timing and visual quality. If playback stutters, clear media cache, lower playback resolution, or render problematic sections. Those steps usually solve performance and preview glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.